Welcome to the online class, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. And this is A.K.M. Abdul Hamid Bhuya, head of the Department of English, Langodu Government College, Langodu Rangamati. A short identification of your teacher. Now we will start our class. Look at the following pictures, and there are some two orders for you. What do you see in this picture? Try to say something about them after watching the picture, after getting the picture. Okay, now you are getting a picture before you. Another one of our vegetables. And this is a picture of mango and tomato injecting something. Food adulteration writing here. These are the picture of food adulteration. You must agree with me. These are the picture of food adulteration or contamination of food. Open page at 50. In the class, a teacher is telling to the students to open the page at 55. Okay. Today we will discuss on food adulteration. Fine. Learning outcome. At the end of this class, students will be able to understand the passage properly, answer the questions based on the passage, write a paragraph on food adulteration. Okay, let's start our class. Let us know the meaning of the keywords first. Keywords: adulteration, contamination. Do you understand? Adulteration means contamination. Another word, unsafe. Common word, hazardous. Hazardous. Doing some work without being conscious or without thinking about safety. That is unsafe. Now another, pesticide. A farmer is throwing manure into his field, and that is nothing but pesticide. Insect killer. Okay, now the third one is a little boy is drinking water, so that means swallow is a drink. Another word, detect. Something with magnifying glass. A man is trying to identify something, that is detect, is find out. Okay, you can understand. Now inhale. A young girl is showing the picture his inhalation, her inhalation, that is puff. Read. Those are the difficult words mentioned in your passage. Now let us start to read the passage silent and question the following answers. Vegetable and fruits. You are getting the picture of vegetables and fruits, and the writing is here. Unsafe levels pesticides. Pesticides are present in around half of the vegetables and more than a quarter of fruits sold in the capital markets. A recent survey found. That is, a survey is taken, and the survey found that the half of the vegetables are contaminated with pesticides. Okay. Now milk and milk products. And the previous slide was on vegetables. Now it is shown the milk products. Some of the banned pesticides used in milk products, fish, fruits, and vegetables are DDT, aldrin, chlorine, and heptachlor. These are the banned pesticides, but it is being used in our food items like milk and milk products. Now the next slide, using pesticides in our vegetables, that is in mangoes. A man is using pesticide. The picture shows this. Now around 50% vegetables and 35% fruits were found to be contaminated with unsafe level of pesticides. Oh, that is very common. You can understand in our day-to-day life the percentage is very understandable, that we always think about our safety. Whenever we get the fruits before us, we think about the safety of the fruits, because we know most of the fruits, according to the survey, 50% of the vegetables and 35% of fruits are contaminated. This sense is a matter of tension for us. Turmeric powder with lead chromate. Turmeric powder, the picture of turmeric powder and another powder also shown here. So from this picture we can understand, analyzing more than 30 samples of turmeric powder, the team also found that nearly 30% of the sample contaminated with lead chromate. So this is alarming thing for us. Fish adulteration. All the food items are adulterated in our present time. That's why this is food adulteration. The topic is food adulteration. Now the fish adulteration. A survey report, a copy of which was acquired by the Dhaka Tribune, read that nearly 40% of 82 samples of milk products, fruit, fish, and vegetables contained with banned pesticides. So this is the survey of 40% of percent of the collected samples. We get the contaminated results. The evaluation now. What is meant by BSTI? You must know this. And you are given some options here. Now try to find out the options. This is the answer. Bangladesh Standard Testing Institute. The second one is, what does the word pesticide in the passage refer to? This is insecticides. Now, the group work. Make short note in each of the boxes in the flow chart showing the foods that are adulterated. You must already got the answers, but try to answer within yourself, and then you just match the correct answers from the given answer. The homework, you are getting a homework before you. Write paragraph on food adulteration. Okay, see you in the next class. Up to this, no more today. See you in the next. See you tomorrow. So, thank you, dear students. Assalamu alaikum.